This is question 6. The inverted U-tube manometer of figure 6 contain oil Sg 0.9 and water as shown. The pressure difference between pipe A and B is negative 5 kilopascal. Determine the differential reading H here. So the H here is actually the distance from this surface to this surface. We start our calculation by drawing this line. So and then we could say that the pressure at point number 2 is equal to the pressure at point number 1. So we could write the equation like this one, and then we start to calculate the pressure. So it is good for you to calculate your pressure, or to start the calculation of pressure from the lowest point. So means that on the left side, so point A is the lowest point. So we could say that PA is equal to rho GH until this level. So and then it is plus with the pressure that acts at point number 1. So we could write like this one. And then the lowest point at the right is B. So we could write the pressure for point B is equal to rho GH of this 0.3 meter. So plus the pressure that acts on this surface, on this level. So it is equal to rho GH of this one. So it is equal to unknown of H plus the pressure that acts at point number 2. So we could write the equation like this one. So now we have 3 equations. So we are capable to calculate the value of H, which is equal to 0.46 meters.